Unraveling, as we wind down, a guide to understanding this common phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might hear in conversations, movies, or even read in books, as we wind down. Understanding phrases like these can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the English language. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. As we wind down is a phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. To wind down means to gradually relax after a period of excitement or activity, or to bring something to a close in a gentle, gradual way. When someone says, "as we wind down," they're indicating that they're in the process of slowing down activities, reducing intensity, or nearing the end of an event, discussion, or period of time. This phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts, from formal meetings to casual conversations. It signals a transition from high energy or intense focus towards a more relaxed or concluding phase. Using "as we wind down" in sentences is quite straightforward. It's usually placed at the beginning of a sentence or clause to introduce the idea that the speaker is transitioning towards ending or reducing the pace of an activity. Let's look at a few examples. 1. As we wind down this meeting, I'd like to review the key points we discussed. 2. As we wind down the school year, it's important to start preparing for final exams. 3. As we wind down the evening, let's take a moment to reflect on the highlights of our day. In each example, the phrase sets the stage for concluding remarks, actions, or thoughts related to an activity or period of time. While "as we wind down" is not difficult to use, there are a couple of common mistakes to watch out for. 1. Confusing "wind down" with "wind up." Remember, to wind up can mean to end something, but it can also mean to increase tension or excitement, which is the opposite of winding down. 2. Overuse in inappropriate contexts. While versatile, this phrase is best suited for situations that involve a clear transition from activity to relaxation or conclusion. It might not be the best choice for abrupt ends or when discussing topics that don't involve a gradual decrease in activity or intensity. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of "as we wind down." This phrase is a beautiful example of how English can encapsulate the process of transition and change in just a few words. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily conversations or writing can significantly improve your fluency and expression in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.